Okay, so here's the second part for today's activity for the reading of the reindeer. So you guys will be needing your English notebook. Again, take out your English notebook. Once you have that ready, we are going to be writing our vocabulary words for today. Again, you guys may stop this video at any time as long as you need to write down the vocabulary words. So we're going to write down vocabulary. And then the reading is called The Reindeer. I'm going to write today's date, November 10th, 2020. Okay, this week we only have 4 vocabulary words. Our first word is caribou. I forgot to tell you guys, but you will be needing a pencil and your highlighter. So once you have your word written down, you can put it in a box. And if you have your highlighter, you can use that as well. That way it is easier for you guys to see your vocabulary words. And the definition: a large North American reindeer. Remember, caribou is another name for reindeer. A large North American, capital, reindeer. A large North American reindeer. Okay, skip a line when you finish that. Number 2. Our next word is lichen. Lichen. When you're done, put that in a box. Use your highlighter so it stands out. If you don't have a highlighter, you can use maybe a yellow crayon or an orange color pencil, something that stands out. And the definition of a lichen is a simple, slow-growing, slow-growing plant found on branches comma, some are even found on walls, or even on rocks. So lichen, a simple, slow-growing plant found on branches, walls, or rocks. Remember I showed you guys the image of it in our previous video? Okay, when you're done with number 2, skip a line. We're going to go to number 3. Remember, you guys can hit pause on the video anytime if you need to finish writing the vocabulary words or the definitions. Okay, the next vocab word this week is lemming. lemming. Kind of put that in a box. Use your highlighter. So a lemming is a small, short-tailed, short-tailed, thick-set, which means it has a thick fur, thick-set rodent. Here's the picture I showed you guys on the previous video. Here's the lemming. And some scientists have found that some reindeer eat these small mammals. Okay, skip a line when you're done. And we're going to write our last vocabulary word for this week. And it's wolverine. Just going to put that in a box. Use your highlighter. You remember from the previous video, wolverines actually hunt reindeer. So a wolverine is a heavily built, short-legged, has short legs, heavily built, short-legged, carnivorous mammal. Carnivorous, eats meat. So these wolverines, they eat some reindeer. Okay, when you guys are done with your vocabulary words and definitions, you guys are going to have to take a picture and upload it onto Seesaw. Make sure you guys check where I posted the video. You need to see the video first. You need to write down the vocabulary words. And on page 3, you're going to take a picture of where you wrote the vocabulary words. I will see you guys tomorrow.